In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process returns and refunds in Odoo. We'll be walking through the return workflow from the inventory app so you can correctly bring products back into stock and keep your records accurate. This process is especially useful when a customer sends back items after a delivery has already been completed. To begin, open Odoo and go to the inventory app. From there, select Dashboard. This is where you can access the main warehouse operations and quickly jump into deliveries or receipts depending on the type of transaction you need to review. Next, click on the delivery orders card or the receipts card if that matches your workflow, and locate the original sales order connected to the items being returned. The important thing here is to open the exact document tied to the original movement of goods, since Odoo uses that record to create the return properly and maintain traceability. Once you've found the right document, open the validated delivery order and look at the top of the screen for the return button. Click that button to start the return process. Odoo will then open a pop-up window that lets you define what is coming back and where it should go. Inside that pop-up, adjust the quantities for the items being returned. Be careful here and make sure the quantities reflect the actual products the customer is sending back. If only part of the order is being returned, update only those lines and amounts. You'll also need to specify the return location. This determines where the return stock will be placed in your inventory, so choose the appropriate location based on your company's process, such as a general stock area or a returns location. After that, click Return to generate an incoming picking. This is the document Odoo creates to receive the items back into inventory. Think of it as the reverse movement of the original delivery. At this stage, the return has been created, but it still needs to be processed before your stock levels are updated. Open that incoming picking and process it, then validate it to confirm the return. Validation is what finalizes the stock movement in Odoo, so this step is essential. Once it's validated, your inventory quantities will reflect the returned items correctly. That's the full return process in Odoo. By following this workflow, you help ensure your stock stays accurate and your operations remain organized. If your refund process is tied to returned goods, this inventory return is an important first step before completing the financial side of the transaction.